Hello beautiful internet family, my name is Dan Davis and I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, which is Australia's #1 ranked drone YouTube channel. I'm also the course creator over on the Fearless Drone Academy, which is the ultimate online drone course for beginners, and I am beyond excited today as I'm able to give away a brand new Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo to one lucky audience member. The Fly More combo comes with it all. It comes with the drone, the newly released Mini 4 Pro. You get the DJI RC2, which is OcuSync 4 ready, gives you 20 kilometers of range. You're getting the bag with the charging hub and 3 batteries in total. You're honestly getting it all. The brand new Mini 4 Pro is being given away on my channel right now. So it's a very easy giveaway to enter. This is an international giveaway. I heard everyone asking, all of you after I gave away the Mini 3 Pro, I had so many international viewers who felt that they weren't honored. So let's up it. Let's give away a Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo as an international giveaway to anyone in the world. As I'm sure you can tell, I'm extremely excited about this. I love giving away drones and products on the channel and giving back to my audience who have supported me. And I will be doing a live stream to announce the winner in the coming weeks. So basically all you have to do is go to the link below, which will take you through to King Sumo. Now, there are a bunch of different ways of how you can enter. When you sign up, you get 3 entries, and then there'll be some other ways that you can add more entries. So commenting on the video is one of those ways, following me on different social platforms, liking different things that I put up, and also there'll be daily entries. So every day that you come back, you can enter and add another entry to your kitty, to your little pool of entries. And I'll also add some new entries as we go on, as the weeks go on. I'll add some new ways for you to enter and add more entries. So make sure to keep checking King Sumo. Very simple to enter. It's literally all you have to do. Sign up to King Sumo and then add as many entries as you want. Keep tuned to the channel and I will have a live stream in the coming weeks where I will announce the winner of the Mini 4 Pro live. So it really is that simple. Anyone can enter. You're gonna get yourself the drone, the controller, the 3 batteries, the bag, all the accessories. You'll get it all. It'll be shipped directly to your house. There can only be one winner. This is a huge giveaway. Another way to celebrate 50,000 subscribers on the channel. It's fast growing to 51, nearly 52 very soon, I would imagine, 52,000 subscribers. So to give away a Mini 3 Pro not long ago, and now to give away a Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo as an international giveaway is huge. And I can't thank you all enough for helping the channel grow to this point. So I hope that you're all just as excited as I am. Make sure to follow that link below. It will be in the video description, pinned in the comments. Click that link, go over to King Sumo, follow all the entry conditions, and you'll give yourself a really good chance of winning a brand new Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. Make sure to stay around, smash that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already, which I'm sure most of you have, but subscribe, smash that notification bell, and keep tuned because I've got some exclusive content coming out very soon, some very exciting videos, comparisons, more giveaways in the future. So make sure to smash that notification bell so that you are notified when I release new videos, and especially for this one, because it will notify you when I'm going live so that you can actually tune in live and find out who won the drone live. I can't wait. I love chatting to everyone live as it all happens. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Best of luck, everyone. I love you all. I appreciate all of your support, and I'll chat to you very soon. Peace.